Alright, how you doing? So today I'm going to make this really beautiful soup of beetroot. It's really easy. I've got some thyme in there, some paprika in there, a few other veg. Like I say, nothing to it, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Ray. So very simple amounts of ingredients here. I've got beetroot there. I've got like 3 cups of beetroot, 2 cups of potato. I'm using a sweet potato, but if you want you can just use a regular potato. 2 cups of carrots, 1 cup of onion, 2 teaspoons of thyme, 3 teaspoons of paprika. I'm using sweet paprika. Smoked paprika is really nice as well. Be careful with hot paprika because that's just kind of like chili really. It'll just be really hot for you unless you want it that way. Olive oil, salt, pepper, some water, that's it. Okay, so you're going to need a large pot, saucepan or something like that. Olive oil's in there. The whole lot's going in now. Check this out. So, the onion, the main ingredient of beetroot, the carrots, the potato, or in my case, sweet potato. We're going to add the thyme and the paprika. Nice big pinch of black pepper. Nice big pinch of salt. We're on a high heat at the moment. We're just going to throw this around just for 4 minutes. We're then going to add some water to it and let it go. It's really easy. So just a few minutes there just to get it together. All still really hard. We're going to drop water in. Now I'm using water. If you want you could use maybe some stock if you wanted, some vegetable stock or something. So I've put in there about 2.5 litres I think. Keep it on a nice high heat. Bring it to the boil. Once it starts boiling, get it on a medium, nice rolling boil. Let it go for about 12-14 minutes or so. What we're looking for is really soft vegetables. Okay, off goes the heat. Vegetables are really nice and soft. Now I'm going to liquidize it. Now I've got one of these fellas that go in and we whiz it up. If you haven't got one of these, like I always say, if you're a regular, get one. You can get them. They're really cheap and really handy for all sorts of things. If you haven't got one of these, you can get it into, you know, like that you make juice in or something, you know, one of those kind of other kind of jug type things. But anyway, let me do this. Back in a moment. Now, we might want to add some more liquid or water to it, depending on how thick it is or how thick you want it. Perfect. As you saw, I just added a little bit of water, but you can adjust that exactly how you want. Now, check that for salt. It's going to be fine for me. Beautiful, simple. Let me get that in a bowl. All right, and there you go. Job done. Now, if you wanted, you can put a little bit of coconut milk or coconut cream just on the top, a little swirl, keeping it vegan, or some sour cream or cream if you're not that bothered about it being vegan. I'm keeping it just like that. I love it. I love it. I love it. Keep safe. Keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. All right, thanks very much for making it to this part of the video and making it to the end of the video. Really appreciate all the views that we're getting. Just a little update. We're still living in the Kingdom of Bahrain. We're cooking like crazy. We're doing really well. If you want to subscribe, that would be fantastic. Helps us out a lot. Thumbs ups are great, and obviously a comment. If you've got a comment to make, I'll try and get back to you if I can. But yeah, life's pretty good. It's not so hot at the moment. It's kind of cooled down a bit. Bahrain is absolutely beautiful, and this part of the world is beautiful when it comes to winter. It's cooling down and it's lovely. See you later.